All right, we are welcoming every one of us once again to our top reporters blog. Like we always tell you, we bring every news direct to your doorstep. And today we are with our father, a leader, a prominent man in the community of Abbi, that's Ward 9, Ndokwa West local government area. Uh, I will not talk much about him, but there's time for him alone to explain who he is. Okay, man.
Yes,
And evening.
thank you.
Kita anyị gosi anyị kirisi nọ dịka akparị nwata ụka
Mhm.
so that we can talk few things about the agitation for Anioma State. But
Exactly.
first of all, what is your name and a little of your personality?
Oh, well, I am Chief S.N Ikenwugwu from Abbi here, Nwugwu Street here. But we were expecting things to be better for us, but it seems elusive. Nothing is happening.
So,
Yeah.
Chief, you have been hearing about Anioma State creation.
Oh, yes.
That is being championed by Senator Ned Nwoko. Is there any history about this Anioma State creation, like you have been aware before now, and what's your take on it?
Yes. Since before the creation of Delta State, there was the agitation for Anioma State. Even then, we were agitating for Ndokwa State. But Ndokwa is part of Anioma State. So I'm happy that somebody is championing it now. It was before 1971. We went for a meeting at Chike Dozier's place, late Chike Dozier, the Asaba of Asaba. We all concluded that we must have Anioma State. But unfortunately, that struggle eluded us again. Today, I can see, I can hear, I can touch you people working for the progress of Anioma people. And I believe, by the grace of God, Anioma will be a concluded issue. And I hope that this fight this time around will have a good result.
Okay, so Papa, what do you give as an advice to Anioma people in support of what Ned Nwoko is doing concerning this Anioma?
I want to advise everybody in Anioma to join hands with Ned Nwoko to fight this cause because it has a lot of value. We struggled for the creation of local government, it didn't happen. We struggled for the creation of wards, it didn't happen. But this time around, I know with Ned Nwoko on the sharing, we are likely, or let me say, we must get this Anioma State. There's no doubt, by the grace of God, we'll get it.
So, on time of support, you can see Senator Ned Nwoko, who have defected from PDP to APC.
Yes.
Like you started with introducing yourself, your personality in the party,
Yes.
educationally too, a prominent man. So, with the defection of Senator Ned Nwoko to APC government, where he believes the fight for Anioma State will come speedily, are you in support of his movement and will you move with him?
Let me tell you. See, I support anyone that is agitating for Anioma State. If I had my way, if I have my own money to fight that cause, I would have deposited it there to ensure that Anioma is a reality. I thank Ned Nwoko. He's a man of high caliber. We have been hearing about him. And he is fighting this cause. By the grace of God, I support him. I support him in total. Let him bring this to us. It will give our youth job. Many things will come to us. As at this time, Delta North is being sidelined in everything. But I know that with Ned Nwoko, things will turn out for good for us. Thank you very much. I support him.
So, talking about political party and allegiance now that he has gone into opposition party in the state, what is your...
I tell you, whatever he does that will bring the state to reality is what I support.
All right. So once again, I want to appreciate our viewers, and today we have a very good time here. We're still having a good time with our daddy in the house, and we have talked much about the Anioma State creation, and you have heard it on your own. What our father is saying, he has given us a whole lot of history far back to 1971.
Yes.
And you could remember all that. So Papa is very happy now to see that the fight they have been fighting many, many years ago has taken a new shape now.
Yes.
And I think the attention has been, the awareness too, have also been created very well.
Yes.
And this is to tell every one of us that Senator Ned Nwoko is on the right track. Like our father said, that man that is driving the car on the steering, that's Senator Ned Nwoko, is a good man and he knows the road and is worth following. And that is why Anioma people are following him. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to press that button on the screen to subscribe so that you can get our latest updates.
Good. Thank you very much.